In this video, my goal is simple: how to restrict the user to select only one single options for each and every question. Consider I have this simple form. The first thing, we need to create a very simple COUNTIF function. In this case, my row number 5 is the starting row on which we have the checkbox. So I will build my formula here. Simply type COUNTIF function, open parenthesis. For the range, I will select this entire row. And now I will hit F4 key to lock the column reference. So 1 time, 2 time and 3 time I will hit, and this is how we lock the column reference. Now hit comma. For the criteria, I will simply type true, open parenthesis. When this value is less than equal to 1, hit enter. And now we need to simply copy this formula. But first, let me explain how it's working. For example, if I select a single checkbox, the result become true. If I select another checkbox, you can see the result become false. So we need to use this formula in data validation to stop another checkbox when we have more than one checkbox selected. I'm going to uncheck first these two, copy this entire formula, hit Ctrl C, and now select all of the form at once. Now click on data validation. For the allow criteria, I will simply select custom, hit Ctrl V, and now click on error alert, and you can display a custom message as well. For now, I will hit OK, and now if I select any other options, for example, I have select first option and now I cannot select the second options. Now in another row, I can select the options, but I cannot select multiple options. Now this is how we restrict the form so user can select only one single options. On the style number 2, everything is the same, just we need a little bit more effort. For example, we need to build COUNTIF function first here. Open parenthesis. For the range, I will select all of these checkbox. Hit F4 key to lock the reference. In this case, I will lock the column and row reference. Hit comma. For the criteria, I will simply type true. Close parenthesis and now simply type less than equal to 1. Hit enter. And now I will simply copy this entire formula. Hit Ctrl C. Select these 4 cells. Click on data validation, setting, select the custom, Ctrl V to paste the formula and simply hit OK. Now I can only select one single options, but I cannot select multiple options. Now in this layout, you need to do a little bit more work. You need to create the formula for each and every range you have. So again, I will build COUNTIF function. For the range, I will select the second question answer, hit F4 key. For the criteria, I will type true, close parenthesis, less than equal to 1, hit enter, and now simply copy this entire formula, hit Ctrl C, select all of these cells, click on data validation, custom, and now simply hit Ctrl V and hit OK. In this case, I can only select one single options. If I uncheck this one and select any other options, I cannot select any other options in this question. Now in the bonus tip, I'm going to show you something else. For example, I'm going to select all of this dataset again, click data validation rule. And instead of less than equal to, what if I remove the less than and simply type equal to 1 and hit OK. And now the benefit of equal to 1, for example, you have a quest to the user and the restriction is if you select the options, you cannot undo those actions. So for example, I select these options, I cannot unselect this option again and again.